Welcome, students! In this lesson, we will learn how to add and subtract unlike fractions, which is important because most real-life and exam problems involve fractions with different denominators. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators and solve word problems. Let us recall fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions, and we cannot add or subtract them directly. Understanding this rule is important because it prevents calculation errors and helps us follow the correct method. Let's see how to solve this word problem. Danny ate 1/2 and Kai ate 1/6 of a watermelon. To find the total eaten, we must add unlike fractions, which shows how fractions are used in real-life situations like sharing and measuring. Adding unlike fractions. Step 1. The first step is to find a common denominator by identifying a common multiple. This step is important because only fractions with the same denominator can be combined correctly. Step 2. Once the denominators are the same, we add the numerators and keep the denominator unchanged, which helps us get the correct total without changing the value of the fractions. Subtracting unlike fractions. Ellis had 3/4 kilogram of lemons and used 2/3 kilogram. We convert fractions into equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. This conversion of unlike fraction to like fraction is important because it allows us to change the form of a fraction without changing its value. Before adding or subtracting unlike fractions, they must have the same denominator using the concept of equivalent fractions and common factors of the denominators. Try these. Practice problems. Now try solving these word problems on your own. Practicing such problems is important because it improves your confidence, speed, and accuracy in exams. Solutions. Let us check the answers together. Reviewing solutions is important because it helps you identify mistakes and learn the correct approach. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing fractions regularly, as strong fraction skills are essential for success in higher mathematics and real-life problem solving. Watch other videos of fractions on comparing fractions and addition and subtraction of like fractions